Unit 3 test review. Question 8. Which representations have the same rate of change as the equation 2x minus 5y equals 15? When we read rate of change, we know it's just simply asking for the slope. So what I've done is I've taken this equation in standard form, and off to the side here, I've already used space move divide to get the equation in slope-intercept form, because I knew I could easily identify the m, or the slope, that way. So if you look there, I spaced my 15, I moved my x term by subtracting 2x from both sides, and the last step was to divide both sides by -5. So the equation reads y equals 2/5 x minus 3, and the slope is 2/5. So if I look at my four representations, the first representation is written in y equals mx plus b, and my m value is 2/5, which is the same, so those slopes would be the same. Roman numeral 2 is an equation written in point slope form, and remember, in point slope form, the m value is in front of your x minus x1, and that's a -0.4, or as a fraction would be -2/5, which is not the same of what we found. We found a positive 2/5. 3 is a graph. Remember, from a graph, all we need to do is find two nice points. So I'm going to take this y-intercept. It looks like 0, 8. Let's pick a different color besides yellow. And then 5, 10. So those are two nice points. I could do rise over run. So I would need to go up 2, and then I'd move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 5. So I get the fraction 2/5, which is the same slope. So Roman numeral 3 would also be the same. Okay, and then Roman numeral 4 is a table. Remember, from a table, we just need to pick 2 points and think about change in y over the change in x. So my y values would be -12 minus -10. If it's subtracting a negative, remember, we can add. So that'd be minus a negative would be plus 10 over the change in x. So 10 minus 5. And we would get -12 plus 10 is -2, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So the slope is -2/5. We found it's positive 2/5, so Roman numeral 4 would not be the same. So this would leave us to answer choice B. It would be 1 and 3 only. On the test review posted in the classroom, it might have been 1 and 4 only on accident. That's a typo. Definitely 1 and 3.